Ground 999 sequence.
Short sequence.
Ground 999 sequence.
999 from now to midnight.
That's not a good answer, but thanks for not
Well, that's the best I can do. You want a better answer, contact your dispatch or your company.
No, your line up here is, I'm just looking for a sequence for fuel management. Yes, that's a part of your problem.
Yes, sir. Fuel management is your priority, not mine.
You're an idiot.
I got a number for you whenever you're ready.
Oh, I want it. We want to talk.
Delta 999, I got a phone number whenever you're ready.
Pass it along.
347-6.
Yeah, I want to talk to your manager.
Yes, sir. Manager's up here. He's looking forward to the call. And L 999, while you're at it, tighten up behind the United 73 that's ahead of you. I need the room behind.
You got it.